Africa Content TV.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to address this August gathering today as we converge to discuss the theme, strengthening democracy through that assessing progress, catching the future. As the court says, Allah of Oyo, I'm proud to represent the rich cultural heritage of our great Southwest region. Our history is replete with examples of democratic governments, where leaders were chosen based on their merits and possessions. Today, we must draw inspiration from this tradition as we navigate the complexities of modern democracy. Dialogue is the cornerstone of democracy. It is through open and inclusive conversation that we can address the pressing issues affecting our communities. I commend the organizers of these summits for bringing together stakeholders from various sectors to share ideas and best practices. As we assess our progress, we must acknowledge the strides made in promoting democratic values and institutions. However, we must also confront the challenges that threaten our democratic journey. These include corruption, electoral malpractices, and the erosion of the trust in public institutions. To chart a better, brighter future, we must prioritize citizen engagement and participation. We must create platforms for citizens to contribute to policy-making process and hold leaders accountable. We must also strengthen institutions, ensuring they are independent, transparent, and responsive to the needs of our people. As traditional leaders, we have a critical role to play in promoting the peace, the unity, and dialogue. Let us continue to engage, collaborate, and innovate, ensuring that our democracy serves the interests of our citizens. Together, we can build a brighter future for our region and our nation. This time around, I greet everyone here present that congratulate in making sure that Nigeria is being put to a different level. I'm very proud to be here. So also my other traditional rulers and everyone here, I would say. I wish these event a successful event, and I really hope and I believe that by the time we finish this program, we will all have take away and we will put to practice. So, people who are in Kokon, we shall that actually the brother you know, I believe you have our share and it's a big deal. Proud to be here. Thank you very much.